All right, y'all, today we've got a pretty phenomenal property. This is a brand new construction home. We're at 1474 Mithra, so we're only 2 blocks to City Park in a truly excellent location. We got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Look at all this off-street parking. You got a nice imposing oak tree out front, 2,160 square feet of living space, 12-foot ceilings throughout. It's truly a stunner, so let's go through it. We've got this great front porch. It has a nice scale to it. Sometimes with new construction, we see really small, teensy-weensy porches. This one's serious. I love the ironwork that they did. When you walk in the front door, you're met with this tremendous living room build out with a functional fireplace, this great storage on each side, and it's framed out right where your TV would go. You can see we've got surround sound in between those can lights, and that extends to here and here. And then you look out to this very decadent, beautiful kitchen, and we'll go more in depth on that in a second. I really like this. This is like a little office space. It's amazing how quickly these builders and renovators have started thinking about work from home space with this new lifestyle that many of us are living. You can see this is a great little built out office space that can easily be closed off. So I really like that. We come through here, this is your dining room. Got great fixtures and continuity throughout this house in terms of the matte black and white. Very clean lines in this house. I really like how they covered the vent for the stove. I always like that with that kind of horizontal shiplap look. This is a serious range hood, and of course a high-end range oven with that. Then we've got our double oven / microwave setup right here. Your dishwasher. Love the matte black sink there. That is so cool. And then of course a nice high-end refrigerator. You've got your wine cooler and wine storage, and then another one of these matte black sinks. I think that is so cool. It's a very modern look, but it's also classic. I mean, when you look at the front, it could be an old New Orleans house. Here's your pantry. But then when you step inside, it's got those great features of an old New Orleans house with the 12-foot ceilings and the floor plan, but it has all the modern accoutrements that you like to see. So then here is our first bedroom. I showed you the washer dryer utility room a second ago. This is just a guest bedroom, and look how built out this closet is. I mean, this is a primary closet suite if I've ever seen one. Then we come through here. Great double vanity, and I love the height of these mirrors. It really accentuates the 12-foot ceilings. Also, I'm a big fan of this black hexagonal tile. And so this is your full bathroom that goes between these 2 secondary bedrooms. This one's got a slightly smaller closet. And then we'll go in here, which is the primary suite. And it is huge. This room could easily fit a king-size bed, probably could fit 2. Got that nice black fan. Just love the consistency throughout this house, and it's got great style. Here is a huge soaking tub. I love this shower setup. And in the past, when someone's purchased a home from this builder, he's been willing to build out the glass around the shower. In this case, I'm not sure if you'd even need it because of this nice wall that you have. We've got another double vanity with those tall mirrors. Here's where your toilet is in this little closet. And then here's like a little makeup station right here with another one of those great tall mirrors. And then here is the primary closet. This place is sweet. I can't imagine filling this up, but I'm sure it could be done. We've got lots of great storage in this house. Pull down attic stairs for more storage. I love how they built out this primary closet. So that's our interior features. Now I'll show you the backyard. I want to show this hallway again. I love those light fixtures he did across the wall. Now, this is our back porch, which again is huge. You've got the plumbing set up if you wanted to do a sink out here or an outdoor kitchen of some type. And then a nice large backyard with a tall fence around it. So this has been $1,474 Mithra. It's offered at $555,000. Of course, it's a brand new construction house, so that means it comes with a 5-year new home warranty. 5 years on the foundation and structure, 3 years on the major systems like plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and 1 year on everything bumper to bumper. Thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off.